Hey guys, what is an escrow account? How does it work? And do you even need one? So when you make your monthly mortgage payment, it typically includes principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. The principal and interest portion will go to the lender to repay the loan, and the taxes and insurance will be deposited into a savings account, also known as an escrow account. The money is held in this account until it's time to pay your taxes and insurance. Now, tax bills and insurance premiums are typically due at different times of the year. Insurance is typically due annually on the same month that you purchase the home, and taxes are due either once or twice a year, depending on the area that you live. Now, when either bill comes due, it's sent to your lender and a copy is sent to you. When the lender receives the bill, they'll send out the payment, so you won't need to do anything during this process. Now, sometimes this bill can be a bit higher than what was originally planned. For example, your lender could have been planning on a $1,000 insurance bill, and the one that was received was for $1,200. So this is due to taxes and insurance costs rising annually. Now, when this happens, it will cause an escrow shortage. Now, there is a link in the description if you want to know what to do if you were to have an escrow shortage. Now, an escrow account is typically set up when you close on your loan. So if you don't have an escrow account but want one, you can typically call your servicer and request one. If you do have one and you don't want it, some loan types will allow you to cancel the escrow account and pay taxes and insurance on your own. Now, in some cases, there may be a fee to cancel the escrow account. If you found this video to be helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.